Good morning, guys. We're out in the woods. I think this is day 13. I think it's day 13. I'll check that out after, but I'm pretty sure it's day 13. We are going out in the woods and we're hoping to get a lot of work done. We have to butcher the cow this afternoon, so we're hoping to spend probably about 2 hours out here and see what we can get done. Yesterday, my husband, he took down 2 trees with a friend, which was nice. There were some bigger trees, so we're going to clean those up. So I'm going to take just a video of like where we're at right now, and then maybe I'll be able to get another video at the end and then like put them together. So here we go. So the kids are over here. I'll walk over there. It's not exactly easy to walk through this because all the logs and stuff. I'm watching out for all the wetness and the puddles. So we had the pigs in here last year. We're going to work on this ground as well. Let's see. So this is where we've been working on so far. You can now see, before it was hard to see these maple trees. We're going to selectively harvest through these maple trees right in this short section here today, so that we'll be able to decide what ones we're keeping and what ones are going, so we don't like yeah, that makes a lot of sense. So the good trees are able to establish really well. Just gonna step over here and we should be good. Okay, so we've taken down this section here. I think we've taken down like 10-ish fairly decent sized trees. So they took down this one yesterday and this one. So one person's gonna clean up this tree. I'll take you along the other side. I'm also wearing the baby. It's kind of chilly this morning. Let's see. Gotta get around. Everyone else can wear muck boots, and I cannot because I had a foot injury years ago. So all these water spots are difficult for me because as soon as I step in them, it's like squishing water through my sneakers. Okay. And we're on the other half. We're hoping, if you can see this, somebody spoke about swales to us, so we might end up like digging out. We're gonna take the trees down first, but this water here, we might end up digging this into like a swale, so that the water would just be diverted into one side. So this is the pile that we were putting brush in the other day, and they took down that tree yesterday. And coming up here, so there's that pile. And then this was really the tree that I wanted them to take down. Reason being is, see the thickness of it? I didn't really want just us out here on this. It is probably, let's see. It's a little chair. Not really a little chair. Let me see if I can. So it's like my hand to it compared to. So I think it's probably, let's see, 2.5 feet across. Beautiful though. So we're gonna get this all bucked up. Get this one behind it. This one over here. That one all bucked up, and all the brush back over there, Lord willing. I am going to work with somebody else with a chainsaw and get some of the maples and then start working our way back that way. And yeah, that's about it. So I'll try to get a video up after this. Right there. You know how to open that pile? Here, Nevaeh. Go ahead. Go on the edge. She's running with the electric stop. What are you guys doing? What are you doing, Nevaeh? You eating some? And little miss is snuggy in there. It's been about a half an hour, so we're getting, that's a lot of cedar right there. Some of that will be posts and some of that will be kindling. We took down, there was a tree, you can see there, they're cutting that up. He had a cedar that we took down there that was next to that big tree. The big tree that dumps there, so the cedar was right here. They're cleaning that up. The kids here are cleaning up. He rounded up, he bucked up all of this, so from the stump there, all the way down here is all buck, and then we get into like the brushy stuff. So now they're building a pile over there for the, we're gonna have a burn, we'll get a burn permit and then burn that. Yeah. Do you know what that's called? No. It's called Usnea. So this, or Old Man Beard, this can be used as tea and helps you get better from the cold. Do you want to bring some in and we'll make some tea?
Yeah, I can find some more.
Yeah.
Guys, all stack it together.
And they're going to collect Usnea. Everyone has a little bit of a cold, so that'll be good. I'll mix some Usnea with red raspberry leaf so it has like a good taste, and that'll be great for them. So what we're going to work on next is, okay, so this tree, if you were to like cut across here, see how I kind of cut across that back section? From that part forward, I'm going to look and decide which of these maple trees I'm going to keep and which we're going to get rid of. So I'm going to do that now, and then he's going to take those down. So what we're doing is we're keeping this one. Then he's gonna take, sorry, it's rocking the baby. He's gonna take this and the other side tube from those. Over here, they're sorting and stacking around now. So the cedar is coming here. You're thirsty because you saw the juice boxes. You can give me 10 minutes. When in doubt, just pick up the tree. That was definitely a dad move. No, I brought juice boxes. We'll get them in a minute. Okay. Okay. Like that. Wait a minute. So he's just gonna buck for a little bit. Sure, might as well, because it's kind of in the way. I do it in sections, bigger sections, like 4 foot. We don't have any equipment that can really get back here. Yeah, it's good. So what we do is we'll cut it in sections that are manageable for us to throw on our shoulders. So that's what he's doing. If it's big rounds like those, obviously they need to get back. We're hoping that if once we get into the winter, we'll be able to pull out something through sleds. Possibly, if the ground freezes solid and there's too much room, we might be able to get the tractor up here. She's collecting youth mat in her drum. Because we just got off the trees, you can see all the youth mat all over the trees here. See? It grows up. It grows on like this. And then you can pull it off. Just look it up. It's from the other side. I'm gonna trap myself in there. Go around this way. back up some, but then I had this right here, so that wasn't very clever. So we're trying to clean this out. It's really hard to decide like what to keep and what not to keep. Especially when it comes to a maple, like I know we want to keep the maples and it's really difficult to decide like are we keeping, like they need space to be able to grow. Like these two are right next to each other. They're both really close together. I don't know what to do there. So I'll think about it. Any ideas? Drop them below. So it's going to take out all the pine in this section right here. And then, yeah, I thought that was going to catch. It kind of had a really bad lean on that side. It's kind of interesting to watch your children to decide how they're going to conquer that challenge. I could very easily like say my opinion on it, but as long as you're doing something that's fairly safe, then I want like them to figure it out themselves. My understanding is if we do this, that we will be able to clean up and we clean up this pasture a little bit. These maples are going to absorb a lot of the water. I guess maples and willows will absorb the water. I think the goal for today is probably to get through these two trees. And then that kind of makes, if you can tell, that kind of makes a straight run across here. We have this tree set here. Those, which are similar to the ones that we cut down the other day with my husband. So I want to get all around here cleaned out before next weekend, because I'd like if you could draw those two and then those two by next weekend. There's another one right here. I just don't know if we'll be able to get it clear enough for that one, because there's quite a bit between here and there. But if we can clear around those two and those two over there, we could do those 4 on his days off. And that would be great. We're making some progress. I love to see like the pathways to the maple trees, because you can harvest maple syrup. And so I'd love to see, I can see like generationally, you know, grandchildren whatever coming out to be able to harvest maple syrup for their families. And that's what we're doing it for. We're doing it for the future. So when I'm doing stuff like this, or when we're doing stuff like this, I try to rotate back and forth as far as who's where, so that if people people that are over here working on it. So like once he finishes this section here, then I wouldn't want to have him taking things down close to people picking things up. You need me? It's chilly this morning. You can see your breath. And she's the happy baby now. Moving all the equipment over in case things fall in that area. Can you see that though? See how much that, I'll move over here. See how much that's already opened this up here? Opened it up so much. It should give those trees some good health. I'm glad. I was worried about taking that tree down right here. It's like, oh, it's a maple tree, but at the same time, like I can see now that that will probably provide the space needed for those other trees. And she was right. It drops right where that stuff was. I think I might keep these two, like evaluating it as I'm sitting here. Keep those two because they're so intertwined, and then I'll get rid of this one. This is only about 4 feet away from the other one. It has quite a curve. Okay guys, I think this is going to be the last tree of the day, and then I'll take you just for a little walk around, and we're going to head up to the house and start to do lunch, and then we're going to butcher this afternoon. Awesome. Okay. Up toward the action. The other kind of action. So here's the trees down. I'm going to work on cleaning those up. Making great progress over here. That's the cedar one we just took down. Here's the maple, the bigger of the maples that we took down. That brush pile is a brand new one. So this is a huge pile of wood, cedar, tons of cedar over there. Kiddos helping out. Working good, working good. So I want you guys just to understand and to see. I guess I'll stand still because I'm going to climb over this tree. One, as a mom, that you can get out here and do stuff with your kids. Two, that it doesn't take that much time. We've been out here for like an hour and a half, and we've got a lot accomplished in that short amount of time. It's just making the time blocks for that and just jumping on an opportunity. Hey, I have half an hour. Hey, I have an hour, and just working it out. So I hope this video blesses y'all, and we'll see you again.